Hi everyone, welcome back again to another property tour. Today we are here in MegaWorld's latest residential community and township development here in Cavite. This is actually located in Barangay Cabuco, Trece, and Tanza, Cavite. So this is what we call Arden Botanical Village. It's part of the Arden Botanical Estate. This is a total of 251 hectare development township by MegaWorlds. Now we are here in the clubhouse of this specific village. So as you can see guys, the design of this whole village will be Scandinavian theme. So ganito yung design niya, so more on natural lights because of the glass. Now let's go inside the clubhouse. Okay, I'll tour you around with the amenities. So first one, this will be the lobby, so welcome. So as you can see, very elegant yung design of this whole lobby. As you can see here, may mga lounges tayo dito for visitors, and also as you can see, as mentioned, more on big glasses tayo or windows para more on naturalists are coming in. And also if you have any questions regarding with the use of amenities, you can ask the front desk for the assistance. Now there will be a lot of amenities inside this clubhouse. We have here on the ground floor and then on the second floor. Let's check first the second floor area. So this will be your way heading sa taas. As you can see here guys, may mga natural plants tayo dito. So these are all natural, hindi siya plastics. Okay, so as we go inside, okay, ayan. So as you can see, mga big windows talaga yung meron dito para makita niyo yung views of the whole township. So since this is a botanical theme township by MegaWorld. So for this one, first one is this. So we have here the meeting room 1. Eto, pasukin na lang natin. Okay, so this is the first meeting room. So actually we have two. So this one is the second one. So pwede mo siyang i-divide through this partition. So kayo nang bahala or mag-ask for assistance kung gusto niyo siyang i-divide para at least you have the privacy. So now let's go to the other amenities in this second floor area. We have now the gym and studio. Okay. Hindi po ako galit. Okay, so dito naman, this will be the changing room for male area. Ito, pakita lang natin just real quick. So yun yung magiging look niya. Very elegant. So pwede kayo dyan mag-picture after doing your gym. Okay, so this one naman for female, ito na yung pinakang comfort room niya if you wanted to change. Another front desk kung gagamitin niyo yung gym. Okay, so as you can see here guys in this video, all the equipments here are free of use since magbabayad kayo ng asok juice ninyo for the lots that you bought inside here, Arden Botanical Village. And also, naka-aircon na siya, currently nakasara lang kaya medyo mainit. Now, let's go here on the other part of the amenity, which is the dance studio or yoga room. So, big mirror. Kung gusto mong sumaya with the view of our pool. We'll check it out later once we go outside this part of the amenity. Now, let's go down para madiscuss ko pa sa inyo yung other amenities inside this clubhouse. And now we're done for the first part of the amenities for the Arden Botanical Village Clubhouse. Now, let's go here. So, as you can see, yung hallway natin dito, very elegant. Sobrang taas ng ceiling nito and also air-conditioned. We also have designated bathroom or CRs from both ends. So now let's check first this function room. So for function room, we have total of 4. Now let's check first the function room number 1. So for here, naka-open siya lahat. So basically, itong part lang na to for the function room 1 if medyo limited lang yung inyong mga guests. But if you wanted something big, especially for weddings or an event, this full 4 function room can be rented out. So kaya din bahala, you can ask the front desk assistants if you wanted to use since this one is for rent. And also, the best part about this one is your view. We have a lot of natural views here for the trees and also for the pool outside. And now let's check to the other amenity, which is the daycare area. Let's go. Ayan. So for the daycare area, dito lang siya nakalagay banda. So, ito yung pinakang end ng function room number 4. So now this is the daycare area. So, Ang kagandahan dito, sobrang lawak ng space for your kids. So you can also bring it here. Kung ano naman, like for example, wala kayong magbabantay, there already an assistant na magbabantay sa anak ninyo, they can also use those books. Yung mga games na yan, they can also use that for free since part din siya of the association dues na binabayaran ninyo. So you can also maximize that one. And now let's go and check my favorite part of the amenities, which is the swimming pool area. So this is going to be the swimming pool area, and we have here a lounge area outside of this clubhouse. So if you want something natural air, mas okay dito, mas better yung in terms of the view kasi facing kayo with the swimming pool. And here naman, the good thing about this one, we have outdoor playing area aside from the daycare we have. So pwede maglaro yung mga kids nyo dito, and on that part, I think pwede din kayo maglagay dyan ng mga carpet if you wanted to do something picnic. I think you can ask the front desk if pwede. So eto namang part na to, this will be your heading way going to the swimming pool area. So para nakikita mo dito, it's like a one whole swimming pool pero divided siya into two. So malaki yung swimming pool area mo dyan. And also may mga bench tayo dito, and then changing room right there for male and female if you wanted to change. And then on that part naman, that will be allotted for the tree house. So pwede nyo din puntahan din, and since paikot nito, there will be a lot of activity areas for your kids, and we will also be having Centrara Park, which we'll also be seeing in a while. So before we visit the Centrara Park, I'll just give you a quick glimpse yung mas malapitan for our swimming pool area, which is here. Nakikita niyo, this will be the first, second pool, and as you can see here, may mga tables and chairs that can also maximize with your friends or makapag-usap sa other lot owners here in AVB. And that part naman na to, that's going to be the tree house if you wanted to do something and activities aside from using the outdoor area that we have in the village or clubhouse. Tara, let's check it first. So as you can see here, the landscape is very nice. Different colors, hindi lang siya iisang halaman. And marami tayong pathway dito heading to other parts of the treehouse treehouse. On this one, may mga daan tayo dito or bridge. As you can see here guys, yung mga parts na to, there will be lights here every night kasi nga iba-iba yung colors nito. And also with this one, may mga running water tayo dito. Currently hindi lang siya operational. So for here, we have the treehouse. Ayan. And now guys, I'm gonna be showing with you the treehouse inside the village of Arden Botanical. So this is going to be the playing area for your kids. So aside from the outdoor that we have dun sa pinakang swimming pool area, they can also maximize this one. And also here, may mga open din tayo dito, playgrounds right there. And also sa likod nyo marami pa doon sa part na yon. So hindi lang natin iikutin. So this will be the treehouse. So a total of 3 houses tayo meron dito. So they can also maximize that one. And now guys, let's check what's inside the treehouse. And now, nandito tayo ngayon sa taas ng tree house. So, a total of 3 as mentioned earlier. So, this is what it's look like inside. So, yung mga kids also, you can bring it here para at least they can see the other parts of the village. As you can see here, there are a lot of greeneries and yung view natin mismo dito. And also, makikita mo dito yung pool area and also the clubhouse. And the best part is that makikita mo dito yung flow of the Centrara Park from here going there. And also, itong part din na to. Part siya of the Centrara. And yun yung mga playing ground na pwede niyong puntahan. Ayan siya. And now, let's gonna be showing you again the Centrara Park in person or in actual sa mismo face na yon of the whole village. Tara. So after showing you the tree house, we are here now in the Centrara Park. But before that, this is actually a bridge that will connect the Centrara Park from the clubhouse going here. Since ito yung pinakang dulo ng pinakang Centrara Park, which is may mga lights to kapag binuksan. So as you can see here guys, sobrang lawak ng bridge na to. So since this is a highway, this is 18 meter wide with 4 lanes. As you can see, the view here is very stunning since the sunset na tayo ngayon. And also there will be a mountain view, which is hindi nyo makita masyado kasi nga mas ma-appreciate nyo siya when you see it in person. So it's very inspiring also to check it here and to see the actual village once you enter the township of Arden Botanical Estate. And now let's go and check the Centrara Park in person or closer look about it. Tara! So this is going to be the Centrara Park. So this is going to be a running water pero stagnant pa lang siya currently since may developing pa rin within the whole Arden Botanical Village. As you can see here guys, this is one of the best parks then inside the village. Parang yoga zone siya. You can also put here your mat. Pwede kayo mag-pilates with your friends and family. And you can also walk your dog since the whole township, specifically Arden Botanical Village, is a pet-friendly community. And we offer prime residential lot ranging from 280 up to 609 square meter. So sample lot will be that one. So that's a corner lot, which is very prime in this whole village. If you want to know more about the available prime lots here at Arden Botanical Village, please don't hesitate to send me a message for pricing, sample computation, and to do a site visit. I'm Ken Manansala, Assistant Sales Manager here in Megaworld Corporation. See you again in my next video.